Uninvolved. This is the worst naman. This is the worst kasi walang pakialam. Low demand and low support. Okay? Again, authoritarian, high demand, low support. Authoritative, the best parenting style, high demand and high support. Permissive, hinahayaan lang pero supportado siya. Low demand pero high support. And uninvolved, hindi involved. So low demand, low support. And with that, we could answer this question. Sa board exam, huwag niyong kalimutan na i-highlight yung mga clues. Pwede niyong sulatan yung questionnaire. Okay? So, bibilugan ko yung ating clue